glad that you're all here. I'm excited to show y'all what I have going on. I have released these two kits. This one, Winter Fantasy Digitals, I released several days ago. And then the Winter Fantasy Ephemera add-on kit I released just this morning. So I wanted to share those with y'all. I love, love, love everything to do with gingerbread. So y'all will see a lot of that in this kit. And still also a lot of the shabby chic touches. I'm loving how they all turned out, and I can't wait to use them. I've already got some printed off. I love that. Oh my goodness. To begin a project using them. Excuse me. Oh, what a magical fireplace. And I would love to have that clock. Trying to go sort of kind of slow without not being, without being too slow, just so y'all can get a good look. Those remind me of the vintage reindeer from the 1940s. And yeah, I celebrate Hanukkah. I still decorate for the winter, and gingerbread and pink is my theme. But, so I realize that's not the number of candles in a Hanukkah candle, but that's what it reminds me of. I love it. Jesus celebrated Hanukkah. Talks about him going to the temple at that time. I think it's in the book of John. I'm almost certain that it is. So I do too, because I follow him and do as he did. I love him too. How cute is he? And these. Y'all can tell that I am really happy about these and how they turned out. I really am. It's so hard when you have so many things that you love and you pull, everything together and trying to decide exactly what it is that you're going to use and that you're not going to use. And because I want to use everything, and it's just impossible. Or I wouldn't get any projects done. Okay, now we're on to the Winter Fantasy Ephemera add-on kit. I've got 4 fairly large gingerbread tags. Okay, and here I've got some fussy cut pieces, some hot cocos, some gingerbread houses. I love that little lamb, so I'll put him right there, a much smaller version. And a nutcracker. I love nutcrackers too. Well, depending on the nutcracker. Cookies and candy and snowflakes. And here I've got some tags. I really like those. like rocking horse, reindeer, and bunny rabbit, or is it another reindeer? I can't really tell very well. Right now I don't have my glasses on, and I made it a little while ago. Let's see, I like those little nutcrackers. So cute. And then I have some little itty bitty tags with so much. Got some sugar plums there. We've got some more candles, some more displays, gingerbreads and nutcrackers. Just a bunch of different yummies there. And then some more tags. Alright, and that is all to show y'all of the Winter Fantasy kits. Y'all can find them, both of them, in my Etsy shop, and I hope that you will go over there and get some. And if you do, one, it is true that when an Etsy business owner makes a sale, we do a little dance. Even if not visibly, we do a little dance, you know, because sometimes we're at work or out shopping, and yeah, but anyway, we do one on the inside, and we're just so thankful to all of our supporters and to all the people who do give us their business. We know you have a ton of choices, especially when it comes to digital. So I appreciate it so much. And if you do use them, I would love to see what you do with them. If you want to share, it would thrill me. Anyway, thank y'all for dropping by, and we'll talk again soon. Bye.